Do you need help connecting a flange accurately to a pipe? First, we will demonstrate how to do it with a flat welding flange. First of all, we will place the flange in the correct position with the help of the flange aligner. This flange aligner has both smooth and angled lugs. For this application, we are going to use the angled lugs. We leave some space to continue sealing the flange to the pipe. With the help of a universal level, we can now locate the flange in a way that the bolt holes are in the preferred assembly position. You are even able to use the same angle on a new flange connection. Very useful when you're connecting to an existing flange. As you can see, the flange is located in the correct position. We can now connect it to the pipe on the top side of the flange. Place the flange aligner base on the workpiece. The powerful magnet will hold it firmly on the workpiece. We are now able to determine the vertical alignment of the flange. Attach the flange aligner to the bottom and do the same with the left and the right side. And now horizontal position has been corrected as well. We are now able to weld the flange in the correct position.